Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Umitirang baha ka Ïalam Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma habakot ka 73rd plenary session jong ka North Eastern Council NEC ha ka South Rik Julio Arjar Punrio bawan vankhli do Amit Shah menteri kampo yeng ka Sarkar India ulapente baka khasi Arthur Society bat ka Achek Literary Society lengba ki nom ikmat jongki kile yakundu yo menteri kampo yeng rengkat ka jingkentu baka Sarkar India kan penrung no ikaktian khasi bartian garo hakernet bapra ka riti senchar kari India.
Today after the NEC meeting there were different groups that had met the Honorable Home Minister. We had our representatives from the Khasi Author Society, which was headed by the President, Dr. Nongïalam, and other members. And they had met Honorable Home Minister and submitted the memorandum for inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule. And the Honorable Home Minister has briefed that there are about 100 plus such demands, and that they will be forming a committee to head and look into these different demands and take a positive step, and that both Khasi and Garo language are part of that list of languages that the government and this committee will examine. Similarly, because of shortage of time, all the representatives could not make it, but the Achek Literature Society was represented by one of the senior members from the Garo community, and on behalf of the society, he had submitted the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister for inclusion of Garo into the 8th schedule.
Nalor kini ulapentep bakin Nongïalam Niam naka North Eastern India Christians Council NEICC kilalet yikandu yo menteri kampo yeng Halor katto katni kijingpen kala haka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act lani ke FCRA kibala bankta yikjingtre kambat kijingyo jingerap jengkini kikenhon uloong bau menteri kampo yeng ulas ngap ha yakijingkerpat ke NEICC hakaba ulap tha ban penbiang yikjingsokhya katkum kikendon bat ptharu yo Conrad ban wanyalamika kenhon shadalhi ban yathirusani.
Apart from that, there was also a forum of the NEICC where different members from different denominations and different church denominations had called on the Honorable Home Minister and appealed to the Home Minister to look into different aspects of the FCRA Amendment Act, which, as we know, is something that is of great concern. And the Honorable Home Minister was very positive in his response. He has asked the church representatives to prepare detailed memorandum, specifically clause-wise, and that to meet him in Delhi at the earliest and discuss about how to or what are the issues that are of concern to them. And he has asked me to bring the delegation to Delhi, which I will be doing very soon. And he has said that he has the necessary powers to make the necessary amendments, and therefore we should submit the memorandum to him at the earliest, which we will be doing very, very soon. And it was a very, very positive response that we got from the Honorable Home Minister.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.